Hello guys, how y'all doing? Today we're going to be building a computer with the HS420 case, and we're going to be installing a vertical GPU mount. I had to buy those two things separate because they didn't have the vertical mount, the vertical computer case at the moment. So I had at the time that I bought it, so I had to buy it separately. And we're also going to be installing some Corsair Link fans, one 120 fan on the side and reverse intake fans, and a 140 reverse intake fan for the bottom intakes. And we're going to be using the old Corsair fans I have in the old system for this one. They're all Link, same thing. We'll be also using the 360 Panorama by TRYX. Not sure if I'm saying it right. And the ROG STRIX 1200 watt Platinum power supply. We're going to be upgrading it from my Corsair Shift 1000 watt power supply that I have. And I'm going to show you the computer, and this is it. Corsair 5000D, I believe. Not sure. Forgot the specs already. And I'm going to be using some of the fans I have for the AIO. Gonna put them on this one. So yeah, follow along.